Ako si Tito Ang, and we are in Baras International Rizal, and we will go to their jungle. Let's go to their jungle and we will just survive there. Let's go. Hello, I'm Tito Ang, and we are here in Baras International Rizal, so we can go to Unga Falls, where we can survive in their jungle forest here in Baras International Rizal. As you can see, we are in Cardi Hardware, A+ Weather Cement 190, and this is the start of our Calvary going up there. So we will go up there so we can go to Unga Falls where the jungle will start. Let's go. As you can see, we survived the first uphill, and then we will go to the second uphill, where this is most miserable rather than the first uphill. Whew, it's very hard to go uphill. Let's go. As you can see here, as we enter to the jungle of Baras Rizal, you can see good man here. His name is Buboy, and he is sharpening his bolo. Buboy, appear. Alright, this is the one that used by Andres Bonifacio during the Spanish Revolution. Very sharp. If you attack this by one hand, you will be all go to heaven. Ha! And once you are inside the jungle, do not mess with like this one, people, because you will see what you want to see if you mess with them. Alright, let's go. Don't buy land in the jungle, because as you can see, there is a warning here that if you buy land, you will be fooled. Ha ha ha! You will be fooled. Ha! There is a street name called Sitio Unga. You turn right here. Then this is the jungle forest. Here in jungle forest, you need to survive. You need to eat. You need to eat fruit-bearing trees. Where there is very plenty here in jungle. We need this plant. We need these leaves in order to survive. Banana leaves. And we are here in the jungle forest in Baras International Rizal. As you can see, we are entering the zone of the jungle. Let's go straight there. Let's go. Oh my God! Here in the jungle, you cannot kill the cow. Alright? Do not kill the cow. Here in the jungle, there is an owner of the cow. If you kill the cow, you will be shot your cow. We will enter the jungle. Let's go. We are here in the jungle forest. We will cross the river, then going to the Unga Fall. There is the way to going to the Unga Fall. We need to cross this water. We are entering the jungle. There's a lot of fall away bamboo here, and we go straight ahead there. Right now, we are here in the jungle, Baras International Rizal, here in Unga Falls, where I am the only person here. We will catch some fish there later. We don't have any tools except our bike tools. There is a 20 feet drop there going to that pool, so we will not go there anymore. We will just here just to survive here in the jungle, and we will eat just to survive. Let's go. So we need this one in order to survive. So gagamit tayo ng kawayan. Ito gagamitin natin para makahuli tayo ng isda. Tingnan natin kung makahuli tayo dito. Tingnan nga, tingnan natin siya. Huli natin isda. Iya! Lapit na natin. Nakakuha tayo ng isda rito. Patay na siya. Nakatay na ang isda. Oy, isda. At dito banda, mag-aabang tayo ng pusit. Huli ka, pusit ka! Huli ka, pusit ka! Huli ka! Gumagalaw ka, pusit! Nakakita ako ng pusit sa pagkain natin ngayon araw na to. Let's go. Gagamit tayo ng primedial. Primedial ba yun? Primatal. Primeval. Gamit tayo ng primeval style sa pagluluto. Magpapaapoy tayo gamit ang mga ginagamit nung sinaunang panahon. Wala tayong kutsilyo. Ang nandito lang, headset. Ano ba mga nandito? Tingnan natin. Bike pump at ito mga tools. Tingnan natin. May sisay pa tayo dito. Wala na yata. Ito mabisang paraan. Tanggal. Tutusukin natin ang bituka. Iwas ang bituka. Ang bituka. Yeah. Dahil mapait yan. apoy. Gaganunin natin. Sinaunang panahon paggawa ng apoy. We need some protein. This is a primitive style of cooking. So very hard for me to stay with this way. As you can see, I'm still cooking. It's very time consuming when you cook like this, because you have no anything, you have no cooking material. That's why you're cooking like this. Alright, that's why if you want to survive, just survive. So now it's 12 o'clock, so it's lunch time. Let's sit here in the water. Woo. First we will eat the head. Maharap. With the fish. Oh, mainit ha. Very good. Wow. Giant hands. Very good. Hey! Woo! Hello guys, ako si Tito Wang at kasama ko ang mga taga-Ungga Falls. Kaya huwag kayo mag-iwan ng gamit nyo rito dahil lalakawin nila. Let's go, let's go. Sarap maligo sa Ungga Falls. Ligo tayo. Ako si Tito Wang, kalaro tayo. Yay! Hindi sila nagpaalam. Hindi kayo nagpaalam. Ano? Wow!
Ano yan dito? Ano tayo?
Ayaw, ako yan.
Wala po